This week we continued to travel down the east coast from Tarragona to Valencia. We visited the ancient ruins and chariot track in Tarragona Port City and ate oranges and everything else at the central markets in Valencia City.
How are you going there?
Yeah, I'm going alright, thank you. How are you?
I'm pretty good, thank you. What are you figuring out?
Trying to figure out what time we have to come back.
Where are we?
Spain. No idea where it's Spain. We're in between
Port Roma.
who?
Port Roma.
Port Roma and
Tarragona.
Tarragona.
100 days have made me older since the last time that I saw your pretty face. 1,000 lies have made me colder, and I don't think I can look at this the same.
We stayed in a motorhome park outside of Tarragona City that we found on Park for Night for €12. We hopped on a bus which cost €250 each and spent a few hours visiting the historical sites and spent even longer trying to figure out how to get home.
And I'm dreaming of your face. I'm here without you, baby, but you're still on my lonely mind. I think about you, baby, and I dream about you all the time. I'm here without you, baby, but you're still with me in my dreams. And tonight, it's only you and me. Miles just keep rolling as the people leave and wait to say hello. I've heard this life is overrated, but I hope that it gets better as we go.
Trying to get home?
Nightmare.
Yeah, very.
I've got bleeding feet. I even took my boots off to walk the streets. We're on a coach.
What a day.
Went on a normal bus. Coming
We're on a coach.
Not sure.
Hopefully
Better seats.
hopefully we end up in the right spot.
Just luck.
We'll see. It's a free ride.
Jono's got a sore knee. I've got no shoes on. We just ran across the highway. It's so big. Getting my cardio in today. My turn. Now I've got sore feet. Sorry about your sore knee. So I've just done a load of washing. It seems that the going rate in Spain is €4, so $8 Australian to do one load of washing for 8 kilos. That's crazy.
On my hand. This is why you wear gloves. Bloody hell. Get me Dettol.
We don't have Dettol. We don't have anything. We don't
Get me
have
dishwashing liquid. Get me...
Just finish the job first.
No, I'm putting gloves on. Get out of my way.
Hold this. Where are we? Benny Carlo. That's what I said.
Carlo.
I said Carlo.
You said Benny.
No, I didn't.
You said Benny.
Nearly. Yes. Got it. Good job, Bill. Woohoo.
Sweet.
Get up. Watch Dad climb up that rope like no tomorrow. Ready? Still got it.
Yeah, you have to do that.
Good army training. So we spent the day in Benicola.
No.
Benny Carlo.
Carlo.
And then tomorrow we're heading to Penis Cola.
We're not. I refuse. I refuse to
Go
think
somewhere.
that someone would call that, like pronounce it like
It's
that.
literally spelt penis.
It's called
cola.
It's probably
Penis? Penny?
it's probably a silent S, so it's like penicola or pina cola.
Penis.
Pina cola.
Penis. Cola.
It's not called penis cola. Or else
Tomorrow we're going to Penis Cola.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm here without you, baby, but you're still on my lonely mind.
What do you think of Spain so far?
I like Spain. Spain so far has been good.
What do you like about it?
I like it how nearly everyone speaks a bit of English,
Yeah, I like
which
that
is
too.
good, which is handy, especially when we're doing what we're doing. Very handy.
It's
I
flipping
like-
expensive.
It's not that expensive, I don't think. Well, Europe and UK in
general,
general is expensive compared to Australia. I like the beaches.
The people are a bit more friendly here.
People are friendly. There's people, like I can actually see people. Like when we went through France, we didn't see anyone. Everyone was like hiding in their houses. But here, everyone's, I suppose because it's damn cold in France. It's good here. That's all I have to say.
You, baby, and I dream about you all the time. I'm here without you, baby, but you're still with me in my dreams. And tonight, girl, it's only you and me. Everything I know, and anywhere I go, it gets hard, but it won't take away my love. And when the last one falls, and when it's all said and done, it gets hard, but it won't take.
So we just visited Pinacola.
Penis Cola.
It's not Penis Cola, Sarah.
It's written that way. We saw a castle. Surprise.
Saw a castle. It was really
It
nice.
looked the same as all the others.
The ocean was still.
Yes. It's really amazing.
Now watch the local seagulls behind us as they slowly swoop from side to side, calling out to their local mates. Because in the winter, they like to keep warm and huddle up with the opposite sex.
Wait, my love. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm here without you, baby, but you're still.
Hee-yah-ha. Hee-yah-ha. Hee-yah-ha.
You get
Fighting. Hee-yah-ha. Hee-yah-ha.
That moped.
Hey-yah.
Lonely mind, I think about
We
you.
just spent the morning at Valencia Central Market. It was absolutely amazing. Everything from meats, veggies, fruits. It was unbelievable. We spent so much money, but everything is so cheap. We've got full belly. The fruits and vegetables in there are absolutely massive. Have a look at the size of this radish here. That was a good
Do you
radish.
even like radish?
Love radish.
And I dream about you all the time. I'm here without you, baby, but you're still with me in my dreams. And tonight, girl, it's only you and me. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
We're eating there.
Prosciutto, artichoke, some sort of cheese. Amazing.
Few ways through the darkness, gotta buy a beating heart. I can't tell where the journey will end, but I know where to start.
They tell me I'm too young.
So far, Valencia is probably our favourite place.
Yeah, favourite.
For sure.
So good.
We went to the Valencia market,
Central Market.
Central Market, delicious.
Cheap
The best food, cheap, really yum.
They say I'm caught up in a dream, but life will pass me by if
open up my eyes, that's fine by me.
So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older.
All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost.
So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm
Just joined a walking tour around Valencia.
Don't know what they're saying. We'll follow along.
Follow along. They don't speak English, they speak Spanish. But at least
They
they're
might
taking
take
us
us
to the best
inside.
spots in Valencia.
all this time I was finding myself and I
Didn't know I was lost.
tried carrying the weight of the world, but I only have 2 hands. I hope I get the chance to travel the world, but I don't have any plans.
Wish that I could stay forever this young, not afraid to close my eyes. Life's a game that's made for everyone, and love is pride.
So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older.
All this time I was finding myself.
Put that in for Dad? Yeah, put this in for Dad.
Tell me what you're doing, Bill.
Just building time.
Building a
Put that
kite.
in there. Push, 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 push. That's it. And then put this on here.
Didn't know I was lost.
So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older.
Billy's gone inside and I'm just reliving my childhood.
So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older.
G'day everyone, thanks for tuning in. Next week we'll show you around the van and give you some insight on the cost to travel with kids on a shoestring budget. If there's anything you'd like to know, or there are places you'd like us to visit along the way, just leave a comment. And of course, if you've enjoyed watching our videos and want to see more, like, subscribe and share. Yeah, you say adios and I say ciao.
Why are you saying ciao?
Or you say ciao, I say adios.
What? That's a different country.
Is it?
Ciao?
But your ciao's... And ciao's here as well.
Ciao, Bella. Italian.
Ciao Bella is.
It's not.
That's
You're
goodbye.
wrong.